Okay, crew. So you have a Dyson, and you have a Dyson that it's a UP14. It's an animal, and believe the other name is DC77. You could fact check me on that one, but I'm thinking that's what it is. But the hose is torn. These things are gonna get brittle over time. It's just what it is. It's whether it's Dyson or Bissell or Hoover or just about every one of them are going to get brittle if you have them for a long period of time. So if you want to know how to replace your hose, stay tuned and make sure you come back. Okay, so what do? You have a Dyson and you started to do some cleaning and you noticed that it started tearing. See that little tear? Yep. Start to tear. So you start losing suction and things like that. It's what happens after you've had a machine for a while, okay? Don't throw the machine away, all right? Maybe if you wanted to duct tape it for a day, a weekend, yeah, don't leave it like that. Eventually, dust can start sticking, hair can stick to the tape. If the tape is exposed on the inside, the hair constant going up, it will start to stick, clog, and then you have a bigger problem than just your hose. The clog overworks your motor. You get it. Okay, so let's get the hose replacement first. All right. So press your button here so you can release this handle all the way out. Okay, so this is all the way out first. That's the first thing you do. Okay. Then, if you look, I'm going to lift this up. I'm going to try to tilt it. Let's see if I can do this right, okay? All right. Let me see if I can carry the camera. Do it the easy way, man. Come on. All right, here, tilt it down. You see that red little clip right here? Okay, see that right there? If I do this right, let me maneuver my hands. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna pull this back towards me. Actually, you know what? Let me take off the tank. Take off the dirty tank first. You can even push it from the other side. All right. If you had two hands, you would use one hand to push it, and then the other hand to pull it. Pull it up. Okay. And it comes right out. See that? Wow, that was something else. Okay, so let me find my hose and we'll install the new hose. And I'll give you the hose number and everything. Okay, new hose. Okay, genuine Dyson hose, all right? And the number that you order is 920765-04. That's the hose for the UP14 DC77 hose, all right? All right, let's get this open up. Okay. All right, our brand new hose. Okay, so really it's just in reverse. We're just gonna snap it back in, make sure that it clips in properly. Make sure you hear it snaps. I'm just really, literally, let me lift this up so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna push it down in here, okay, guys? All right, let me just push it in all the way. And one more thing. On the sides, you see these little, let's see if you can see it. There you go. You see those? Just as you're pushing it in, you're just mindful that you're gonna kind of fit them in this groove, okay? So you're not fighting against the machine, okay? All right. And there you go. Hose is in. Use a little bit of strength, all right? It's just what you have to do. All right. Then, as you install this hose, what I would recommend that you do is just kind of push the button in, and that'll allow you to kind of just fit it in, and you go straight down. Close your top back. You see that? Go straight down, put your top, and there you go, man. You got yourself. You replaced your hose. You didn't have to throw your vacuum away. You didn't have to give it away. and you're good to go. That's it. Everything is done. Okay? So if you guys need anything else, if there's anything else, let me know. Okay? Support the channel. Like, share. All right? You're getting the info. Say, you know what? Let me give 2 cents back. You can give more than that, but or if you just want to order the hose, say, you know what? Wayne's been a good guy. Let me order the hose from Wayne's website, monroevacuum.com. Or you can go to our t-shirt page and go to gmartshirts.com and you can order a shirt. Yeah, either way. Order a mug or something. Thanks a lot, guys. Until next time, okay? Stay positive. Bye.